Break ID number 4433. 2018 National Treasures Collegiate Football 1-box break. This one has one filler for 3 spots. Actually, that's all Jody. So that's his. And the alphabetical list. Go. Daniel W.O. with a free spot. We got a really good deal on this stuff, so we'll have some more on Wednesday and beyond. First one, 1 of 10, super short print, Emmitt Smith. Dallas, Daniel W.O., and that's his team. 3 left in Topps Archives Baseball. 6 left in Bowman's Best. Love to see Bowman's Best go. Old School jersey to 49, Roger Staubach. Dallas, Daniel W.O. Next one, jersey to 49, Dan Marino. Miami. Jody, K.A. Next one is a book right in the middle to 49, John Kelly. Volunteers auto to 49. To the Rams. Jody, K.A. Next one, Old School auto, Joe Washington. To 99. Testing our college knowledge. Hey, that rhymes. That's to Atlanta. Daryl, M.E. Next one. Mark Andrews, College Silhouettes Signatures. That one's to Baltimore. Jody, K.A. Next one. RPA to 99, Akram Wadley. On card. That's Titans also. Oh, not also, but Titans. Ted, CU. And the last card, 3-color Jumbo RPA on card 2 of Nick Chubb. That is to Cleveland. Tim, B.A. All right. We will have more of that on Wednesday.